Solve the following inequality. So whenever this comes that we have to solve the inequality, usually we go with the brackets first. But over here we can see that the brackets have an x term and a normal number. So usually we just don't go with solving this. What we can do is we can use the distributive property. We can multiply this 3 here and this 3 here as we usually do. So number one thing we are doing is the distribution. Okay. And now over here when we are doing distribution, we got a negative 3 over 4x, negative 12. Any question how this came?
No.
The rest of the things we are writing as it is. Okay. Now after this, the next thing we do is, what do you think we will do next?
Keep all the constants next to each other and all the variables.
Yeah, we can rearrange. We can rearrange negative 3 over 4x. There is again x term, 5/4 of x minus 12. So we just rearrange them with their symbols. And the other thing remain the same. Now, what do you think? What is the next thing we can do?
We can do 3, negative 3. Oh, wait. Never mind. Wait, are you asking me to rearrange stuff?
No, we have already rearranged this and this.
Yes.
So we have rearranged it. The next thing is combination. We have to
Oh,
combine. See, this is having a bottom common.
yes.
Denominator is common. Can we write it this way?
Yes.
Great. And the rest of the things remain as it is. Now, after this, here comes again minus 3x plus 5x is how much?
Minus 3x.
Plus 5x is equals to how much?
Where does it say that? Sorry. Uh, minus, 2x.
Yeah, 2x. In the denominator, there is a 4, negative 12 greater than equal to minus 5x plus 1. What is the next thing we can do here?
We could do plus 12.
Yeah, we can do. And before that, do you think this can be cancelled?
2 or
Yeah,
4?
2 and 4 both can be cancelled with each other.
Can we change it to 1/2?
Yes, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So half of x we got here minus 12 greater than equal to negative 5x plus 1. Okay, so now as we have simplified it, what is the next thing we can do?
Next thing, 1/2 x. We could do plus 12.
Yes, we have to do the separation of constants from the variables.
Variable.
Yes. So we are doing plus 12 on both sides. What do we get?
We'd get 1 over 2 x minus, greater than or equals to
Mhm.
minus 5x plus 13.
Very good. We got this. And now what is the next thing we can do?
Um, we can do plus 5x and move it
Very
to the other.
good. Yes. We are doing plus 5x. So we got a half of x plus 5x greater than equal to what?
Plus 13, which is just 13.
Yes, very good. Now we need to solve this. How can we solve it? There is a fraction, there is no fraction.
We can add a 1 on, we can do 5 over 1, at 5x over 1.
Yes. And now what do we do after that?
We can multiply, no, it's adding, right? We could do to the but denominator on the right side, 5 over 1, we could do times 2, and whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top.
Hmm.
So 11 over 2,
Very good. X,
x,
right? Hmm.
yes.
Now what?
You could do 11 over 2 divided by itself.
Yeah. So we can do that 11 over 2x divided with 11 over 2, right?
Yes.
Would you like to prefer this way, this division symbol and this way, or would you like to go with this way? First way
Um,
or second way?
First way.
Okay. So we are dividing it with this, and this is greater than or equal to 13 and divided with 11 over 2. Just remember, we are not writing 11 over 2 here. If we write here, here also we will have to write. If we are writing on the right side, we will have to write on the right side. Otherwise, the question answer will be wrong. Okay. All right. Now what
Can I
is
write the answer as, like, can I do x is greater than or equals to 13 divided by 11 over 2? Or will I have to do 13 divided by 11 over 2?
we have to solve 13 divided by 11 over 2. It's not solved
Uh,
yet, right?
okay.
So what do we do? There is a division
Over
symbol.
1.
Yeah, we can do that. Now,
Okay. In fact, first keep change flip. We'll have to change the division symbol to multiplication symbol and flip to an 11.
yes, 2 over 11 we got. Now, what is
26 over 11.
26 over 11? So, x value is x greater than or equal to 26 over 11. Now, in this whole process, let's go with what is the thing we had done. Number one, bracket was not solvable because one term was variable term and the term one was a constant term. So we did the distribution. After distribution, we did the rearrange part of this and this so that it is easier to navigate into between navigate the terms which are solve the terms which are alike. So this was a like term with the with each other. So over here when we solved it, we got this. And now after combining it and after we did here simplification because simplification was possible. So simplification, after simplifying, we get this. And now when everything is solved to the normal type, we have to do the separation. So first we separated the constant terms and now we brought constant terms to just one single side. The another thing is we have to separate the variable terms to one side. So for the separation of variable terms to one side, we again did it. And after doing that, we solved it further because two variables of terms, both of them having a fraction. So we solved that. After solving it, we had to isolate the variable x. So for that, we applied the opposite operation of 11 over 2 and then just solved further. So we got this answer. Any question in any part?
Let me review and then just see if there's any questions I have.
Sure. Okay. Yeah. So solve the following inequality. What is the first thing we will do?
First thing we will
Yes.
distribution.
Very good. We are going to distribute. What do we get after distribution?
Wait, we'll have to distribute 2 over 5, right?
Yeah, this whole thing.
Okay.
What do we get?
First,
Mm-hmm.
we have to do it, so over the multiple. So a negative, no, positive 8, wait, 8 over 5 x
Yeah.
plus negative 2, wait, yeah, 2 over 5
Okay. Now,
minus 6 over 5 less than or equals to negative 1.
very good. We got this. All right. Now, what do we do?
Um, we will rearrange.
Okay. What do we need to rearrange here?
We can rearrange. I don't think we have any rearrange.
Yeah. But there are still two numbers together. What do we do with them?
Which 2 numbers?
I'm sorry, the two symbols.
Well, we can take out the plus, right?
Plus minus becomes what?
Minus.
Minus. So it becomes this. Now, what is the next thing we'll be doing?
The next thing we'll be doing is combination.
Yes, combination. We are done with distribution. There was no rearranging needed. Distribution.
Yeah,
And there we are doing combination. What is it that we have to combine?
we will combine 2 over 5 minus 6 over 5.
Very good. What do we get?
Well, are we subtracting or multiplying?
See, there is a negative symbol here, and there is a negative symbol here. What do you think we will do?
Both are negatives.
Both are negatives. Negative by 2/5 and negative 6/5. What do we do?
Um, 12 over 10. I mean, 25. Negative 12. I mean, yeah, just 12 over 25.
See, this is not multiplication. It's not multiplication. It's addition subtraction. If there is addition subtraction this way, what is the answer of this?
Addition, subtraction.
Yeah.
Negative 2 minus 6.
Yes.
Positive 4.
How is it a positive 4?
I mean, negative 4.
Okay, why is it a negative 4?
Wait, it's negative 2, 6. uh, To your, oh, negative 8.
Very good, negative 8. So see, denominator of both of them is 5, and there was a negative 2 and negative 6. So over here, when we solved it further, we got a negative 8 over 5 x and a negative 8 over 5. When we have made the denominator same and we are confused about this, just check out what is going to be the answer if the numbers are separate from the denominator. It will be easier to understand. Okay, we got this. Now, what is the next thing we can do?
After combination, we could do simplification.
Hmm. Anywhere simplification is needed.
No.
So, what do we do?
Separation.
Yes. We are in separation. How do we separate now?
Wait, are all the blue ones, like you know you're writing in blue distribution and combination, are all of those not necessary? Like I'm saying, like some questions might not have them, but the one you kept in orange is must do.
Yeah. No, no, no. That's not mandatory. See, over here when we solved the previous question, there was rearranging needed because the x terms were not together. Here, no rearranging was needed because already the numbers were together.
Which ones are in every equation, no matter what?
Yeah, the latter ones are in every equation, like separating them, isolating them. That's everywhere.
Okay.
Many a times combinations are also there, but depends on the question. The previous ones are like not mandatory, but the later ones are always there. Okay, now separation. What do we do? How do we do it?
Um, we separate the constants and variables.
Yeah, how do we do it?
We will do, we'll do, wait, can we do minus, we can do plus 8 over 5.
Very good. Plus 8 over 5 on both the sides. And because this is a plus and a minus, so this just can cancel with each other. And we are left with a negative 8 over 5x less than or equal to negative 1 plus 8 over 5. Now, how do we solve this further?
We can do negative 1 plus 8 over 5.
Yes. How do we solve it? Denominators are not same.
We can do multiply by 5 on the left. So the top would be negative 5, and the bottom will be positive 5.
Yeah, we'll have to put a negative 5 and negative 1 on both the sides. We got this. And so we got negative 8 over 5x and less than or equal to negative 5 over 5 plus 8 over 5. Now, as we have made the denominator same, less than or equal to negative 5 plus 8 over 5, what is the next thing we'll be doing?
We can do isolate the variable.
Is everything solved?
Uh, no.
No, not yet, no? So, what has to be solved here?
Negative 5 plus 8 over 5.
Yes. Yes. What is the answer of that?
The answer of that is 3 over 5.
Very good. Now we can do whatever process we want to do. What is the next thing we'll be doing?
Isolating the variable.
Yeah, we isolate. So, what do we do to isolate?
We can do negative 8 over 5 divided by negative 8 over 5.
Divided with a negative 8 over 5 here, divided with a negative 8 over 5 here. Okay. And what should be the symbol in between?
The symbol in between should be a multiplication symbol.
Here.
Oh, greater than or equals to.
Yes. Division or multiplication with a negative changes the symbols. Okay. So here division with the same thing gives us what? What happens here? What do
Uh,
we get?
it turns into x.
X greater than equal to. And over here what happens?
3 over 5 divided by negative 8 over 5. So 3
Mhm.
divided by 3 multiplied by negative. Wait, you would keep change, so, and then
Mhm.
flip 5
Yeah,
over negative.
5
So
over negative 8.
15 over negative 40.
Mm-hmm. Can there be any cancellation?
Um, yes.
What can we cancel?
3 over negative 8.
Okay. So yeah, you were saying 15 over a negative 40. And what did we cancel it on?
5.
Yes. So we divided both of the things with the 5 and we got x greater than equal to 3 over a negative h, right?
Yes.
So this is our final
Yes.
answer. To represent it in the standard form, we'll just, instead of writing negative in the denominator, we can write it as this way. Both of the ways are correct, no worries. Okay, let me show you the whole thing. Please let me know if there is any question regarding any step. Number one thing that we just did was distribution. And second thing was the numbers were like this. So whenever the numbers are like this, denominator is same. We just check by writing the top numbers what could be the simplified answer. After that, we did the normal thing just we do in every part, the separation. After doing the separation, we just solve for the fraction parts. And after solving for the fraction part, we isolated our variable and solved it. That's all. You can review it, and if there is any question, let me know here.
Okay.
Should I make it bigger?
Um, can you keep it like, I mean, yeah, can you make it bigger and then can you scroll when I need it?
Sure, sure. Is this fine?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay, thank. Okay. So when we were doing it, accidentally I had just put a negative 8 over 5. There was no negative here. See, there was no negative.
Then it's no negative.
Yeah, there is no negative, and here is no negative, here is no negative.
So
So when
that
we
means the answer is x is less than or equals to 3 over 8.
x is less than or equal to 3 over 8. Yes. So there is no negative here. We are not going to divide with a negative number, so the symbol is also not changing. So here, and this is divided with 8 over 5, less than or equal to symbol. Here also less than or equal to symbol, less than or equal to symbol. So simply we are getting a 3 over 8 less than or equal to. Yeah. So that will be our answer. Okay, thank you. Thank you for correcting.